Boss, paano kung umamin sa'yo yung babae tapos nung nagustuhan mo na rin, parang ayaw na niya? Haha. Tumawa pa si Garillo eh. Classic example ito mga sigarilyo ng if you want to get rid of your crush with someone, get to know them. Most probably ang nangyari dito bro is you over-pursued too much dun sa babae. You chatted her too much without asking her out on a date. Masyado ko naging available sa kanya, yung tipong wala pang 1 minute may reply ka na kagad sa kanya. By the way, malakas makababa ng attraction level yung ganun kasi it communicates with a girl na you have nothing better to do but to wait for her text or chat. Big no-no yan mga sigarilyo. Anyways, back to the video. Or baka naman meron ka talagang ugali na hindi niya bet. Actually, maraming possible reasons yan kung bakit siya nawala ng gana sa'yo. Ngayon, if I were in your shoes, I will do 2 important things to try and salvage whatever attraction level she has for me. Number 1, I will go no contact on her. I will stop reaching out to her 100%. Because the best way to get someone's attention is removing yours. Ngayon, if you do this and say, meron pa siyang katiting ng pagtingin sa'yo, she will reach out to you. Magchat-chat yan sa'yo. And if that happens, ask her out on a date na kaagad and get off the freaking phone. Wag mo na siyang i-chat. The second thing I will do is, I will emotionally move on na. I will not expect her to reach out to me anymore. I will not expect her to reach out to me and forget about her. I will go on pursue what matters most, which is your purpose in life. I will love and build myself up. Look for other women to date. Yan, ganyan lang. Tandaan nyo mga sigarilyo na huwag kayong mahangap sa isang babae lang. Remember to apply the kung ayaw mo, wag mo mentality. I hope nakatulong ako sa iyo and follow for more. Subscribe na rin kayo sa YT channel ko. Link in my bio.